friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing good. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can achieve step by step, of course, your own scrunchy headband and braided headband. Therefore, just keep watching. Alright guys, for this tutorial you're going to be needing the basic headbands first. You also need a glue gun, but that's for the second tutorial. And you'll need a thread and a needle if necessary. You don't always need it. You also need some fabric. No matter the color, just take any fabric you like. So now I'll just go ahead and stitch my fabric because as you can see it's opened, but I need it to be closed. So I'll just go ahead and stitch it. Like, you don't really have to do something nice, just do it anyhow. The most important thing is for it to be closed. This is because if you have a closed fabric, like a fabric that doesn't need to be stitched, you can always insert your basic headband into the fabric. And after inserting your headband into the fabric, you can just secure both ends of the fabric with a glue gun or with a thread and a needle. So now that I'm done stitching my fabric, I will just go ahead and pull the thread on one side. This is for me to create this crunchy effect on my fabric. Just pull it. You can pull it randomly, just making sure you just have this crunchy effect on it for it to look more beautiful and nice. And a little tip, friends, if you want the crunchy effect to be more pronounced, you just have to take a bigger fabric. That's the secret. So now that I'm done with that, I will now take my basic headband, and normally I could just insert it into the fabric, but because I did some very large stitches, so it wouldn't look beautiful. So what I'll do is that I'll attach my fabric to my headband. And first of all, I'll try to secure one end of it, like you can see I'm securing one end, and I'll just go ahead and keep on securing it progressively around the headband. So I'll just let you watch it. Okay, so friends, perfect. I'm now done securing the fabric around my headband, and you can see the headband is not really visible. So that's the end result, friends. And when you put it on your head, nobody will know. Nobody will know. And now I'm going to be doing the braided headband. For that, you have to use 3 different strands of fabrics. Like I said earlier, it doesn't matter what fabric color you use, just take any one you think will match a particular outfit and just use it to do your braid. And I just used this because this is what I had at home. This is just for tutorial sake. I took the fabrics I had at home. So I'm just going to go ahead first. I want to secure the end of the braid with a pin. It doesn't matter, I just used a needle, not a pin. So that's what I'm doing. I'm securing it for it not to lose up as I'm doing the braid. So I'll just go ahead and braid it from that end to the other end. Alright friends, quick tip, you can always twist your fabric instead of braiding it, or you can always get creative with what you have in mind. The idea is just to attach it later on to the simple headband. So I'll just let you watch and stop talking. I'm finally done braiding my fabric. I'm just going to put it real quick on the basic headband to see how it looks like and to see how it's going to be, just for the sake of accuracy, and that's it. After trying it, I'll go ahead and take my glue gun and glue my fabric in order to secure it for it not to lose up. That's what I'm doing right now. I'll do it on both sides, and now I'll take back the headband and I'll place the fabric on the headband and now glue my braided fabric on the headband. You can always go ahead and use thread and needle and try to sew it around the headband, but I don't think it makes much sense to do it like that. And you can always braid it around the headband. I've done it also before. Maybe I'll do another video where I'll film how you can braid it around the headband so you don't have to do all this gymnastics at the end. So I'll just go ahead and glue it, glue everywhere with my glue gun. After I'm done gluing it throughout the headband, I'll presently take like a small material, small fabric, and I will attach it at the bottom, like at the end of the headband, for my headband to look more beautiful. That's what I'm doing right now. That's the end product of my headband, guys. I really do like the fabric I used in doing this. The mixture of colors, the African print and the other plain fabric. It looks quite presentable and decent. So you can try it at home with another fabric or sets of fabric, how you feel it will match any dress you want to wear. So we have come to the end of this video, friends. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe, leave a comment and give me a thumbs up if you like my video. And if you like what I do and you think someone might like what I do, please don't hesitate to share my video. I'm so grateful for your support. Thank you and see you next time.